Hi guys, welcome to Mariah's World of Happiness. Today we're gonna be opening the LOL Bigger Surprise. So this one is bigger than the other one that we opened, which is this one. See? Look. This one is smaller, this one is smaller, and then this one is bigger. So, let's start opening this. Come on. Okay. Yeah, this one is almost perfect. Okay. We have blind bags. Let's open this one up first. Huh? There's a mask. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, we'll open up this one later. Another one? Huh. Another one. Have the same kind of gun bag. You don't have the space inside? Again. I'm pretty sure all of this has the same thing inside. One more. Ooh, look at this one. So I'm going to use this one as my trash can here. As you can see, there's much more. What? Oh, I took it. Two of these are dolls. See? So yeah. Let's first open the little sister. So excited. See here. Anyway, you can just do it up right here. Look at this ball! It's half blue, half pearl. See? Whoa, look at this, guys. Whoa. What is this? Oh, a slice of pizza. Peaching for the ball. It's a bag. It's so cute. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Let's start, and now let's open up the pet surprise. Too much surprises. This one. Oh yeah, there is a sand pit too. This. Oh, it's their own pizza box. Look. Oh, it's a bottle. More sand. Oh yeah. It's white sand. Look. It's white sand. Let's get our scooper. Scoop it up. I see shoes. Look. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh, they're different kind of color shoes. Pink this time. Let's go to the next one. the sister nail. Let's get out the surprise. First surprise. Second surprise. Okay. Oh, they have little pajamas on. They're so cute. I think this is the bottle. The bottle is so cute too. Look. Yeah, oh no, it's not the toy. It's shoes. Let's have different shoes in. Let's open up this one. Oh, they have the same table like our last video. Okay, let's open up this one first. We have cute sunglasses. Look. Oh, they actually have clothes inside. I think this is a color changer. Look at this. This one. The other sister. Second. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, fruits. I forgot. Okay, pizza. More pizza. Open up the bottle first. Let's see it. It's so cute! Oh, it's a shoes! So cute. Hold on. Aww! So cute! Another sunglasses. Okay. It's so cute. They're both wearing these things. Look at this one. I like her clothes in the inside. See? So now we're going to be opening this part now under this thing. Okay. More. Okay. So it's time to open this. There's a orange and green. Let's get this out. So you can see these lines over here. There is one here, two over here, and 2 more over here. So we're gonna cut those off in the front. So if you're gonna use a sharp scissors, you have to stay with the adult that's nearby, and then because you might hurt yourself or cut yourself something. So you have to be really careful. See? Look. Oh, that was easy. Take there. Take the lid off. Let's try to put on one more top. Oh my god! Look at this, these are cute! Okay, now let's take it off. Okay. There you go. See, it's so cute. This is a popcorn here. Okay, so take it off. Take the lid off the popcorn here. Whee. La la la. Let's take this one off, and then take the lid off. I really like this kind here. How about let's switch it off then? This one. Take this off. Put this one down on. Oh, it's upside down. Then I'll leave it. Okay, let's take this one. Leave it in. Let's take this off. Come on. It's almost like the popcorn. But it's a different kind of fun. Whoop. Way. Yeah. Yeah. This one is kind of like a mermaid kind. Kind of. Oh, hold on. Oh, I have giant hair. So now we're going to do it over here. So it says here, poke it. So I guess we'll poke this one first. So now I'm going to poke it, and then here it is. These are the one that have lines on it. Then you have to poke it except for this one. So let's start poking. Oh. It's a cute hat. Wait, look, there's extra clothes. Here's a dress. More clothes. See? Whoa, look at this checkered clothes. It says meow here, which you can't see. See? Look at these heeled boots. Okay. See? It's a different color. It's half take, half away. More shoes. I mean, these aren't shoes anymore. I mean boots. These are sandals now. Oh, this one is supposed to be for this one. Okay, cut it. Another top. Oh, short. And a really cute top, matching top for the shirt. Let's see. Oh! It's another hat. See? Let's check what's under here. Oh, it's a magnifying glass. It's a giant magnifying glass. I think we used the magnifying glass for these. And if you use the magnifying glass, if we put it like this around it, maybe we can see some things behind it. Oh, look! It says, look for secret clues. Look for secret clues. Friends, pick me. Over here. Yahoo! See down here. Let me out of here. Okay. Go over here. Unbox me. Me first. Aw, so cute. Okay, that's all for this video today. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for supporting my videos and welcome to season 2.